welcoming us.
No po, ma'am.
Welcome to Camp Malagos.
Family of Taro po, ma'am. People don't eat unless the abang
Ah, yeah, gabi. Aka na.
ano ma'am, badyaw. Nagpapit ka na po lang kasi.
Before COVID. Don't touch it because that's Wajan. It's itchy. The big,
Yeah, oo.
the big leaves.
You should not
In
touch
front of you.
it.
That's Wajan.
Every big like that itchy. Yeah, tagnok yun sabi ka. Hindi ko alam
Sa
sa.
mata ko, gustong-gustong pupunta din tapos muntik ko nang yung kapasok na naman sa mata ko. I think that they will not say to the tour guide if they have incubating eggs inside, but they will announce it if eggs will hatch. That's the time that they will announce. Right now they will not give information.
Or yeah.
So that way, if it doesn't go, then they
Yes, sir.
not
It
bad
won't.
news.
It won't. It won't cause any emotion.
I've been at the private.
As you can see, Mom, it doesn't have names. My passion. This is what's called wild tales. These are the people who donated here in the Philippines Foundation. They donated 1,000 pesos and a maximum of 25 characters only. And it's because the Philippine Foundation is NGO or non-government organization. And not provided only supported by the government. But right now, Mom and Sir, they won't accept any donations because they're changing it.
Are they going to cross over?
Yes, sir. We'll just continue
No,
the
no. Are they
sales.
going to like start all over? Put in new?
Actually, sir, we have three designs already. We have the first one was the rectangle one. The second one was the leaf. We will see it later on. And this is their recently their recent design. But right now they're changing its design.
So how long will we stay? Forever?
So supposedly sir, it's only for 1 year, but they won't get back into the new design. The old one.
The fraternal order of eagle that they're going to take on the fraternal order of eagle. You know this law?
Dito na lang ang aking kanya. Wala sa
Ma'am,
extra bag.
this is Philippine Eagle already. Right here at the left corner. You can move forward here. Right there at the left corner.
Precious.
So,
I thought
so that's Vigo. Mom and Sir Vigo is a male Philippine Eagle, 14 years old, and he's adopted by Eagle Cement Corporation. And we will see Vigo in the new 1,000 peso eagle in the Philippines, the polymer money. He's the exact model. He is, yes, po. He's the exact. Right there, we have a 1,000 pesos right there at the block. He's the exact model. So Vigo, yes, so Vigo is an active salmon donor for artificial insemination.
Para makaproduce sila.
Yes, po. And when he was 8 months old, they released Vigo in the wild, but Vigo is a mal-imprinted bird, got used to humans. He got habituated to humans and goes to villages, lifestyle. And there's a high possibility that people might hunt him, so they brought back Vigo in the facility and continue donating. How old? 14 now. 14 years old.
That's huge. If his wings will spread, how many meters?
That's 2 meters per second, 1 meter and a half. We will see a closer Philippine eagle later and an much closer one.
That's interesting.
So they want to have a group picture here? I can take your picture.
You want? Because, but Bigo is very, very.
Go to the bigger.
They're going to the bigger. Yeah.
Closer. And I
Yeah,
later.
if you want to see, you want to see us standing still out
Yes.
and plant.
Vigo.
See?
Story of Vigo. And the egg to the back.
Kailangan talaga nila sa pag-convert. Because it's artificial food.
But still, for releasing eagles in the wild, but they have what eagles are served located 392 pairs in the wild. And they can only be seen in 4 islands. We have Luzon, Samar, Leyte, and Mindanao here.
Is there any local right now?
And yes, sir, we have Mount Apo. Actually, my
Mas nice na pag may closer look sa ano na eagle.
Sana may cable car dito. Mas maganda sana, di ba?
Oo nga.
Kita mo ang area.
Kasi yan siya yung nasa 1,000 peso bit.
Dito pa to, may yung model ng 1,000. Dito ka pa bigo. Bigo ay kaya bulit na gusto. Yan ang calling niya sa buhay.
Yan yung calling niya.
Masarap kaya ang igay.
Ay, marikit. Beautiful is
From
marikit.
Wanga del Norte, 2002. She was trapped with 3 organ pellets on the wing, so she's having a hard time flying around and breathing also on produce eggs. She cannot produce eggs because of her trauma. And actually, Marikit is larger than Vigo because female Philippine eagles are larger than male.
And I'm confused. Is the scientific name is polychromatic or the eagle
The
itself?
whole Philippine eagle.
Also the Peter Pagadi for you is a Philippine eagle.
Yes, sir. That's their scientific name.
Scientific name.
While the Marikit name, sir, was given by their adopter. Kasi you see,
Oh, she flew.
also,
Yeah.
yan si Marikit. Yan
Vigo.
si Vigo.
Vigo, Vigo, that's Vigo.
As you can see, Mama, sir, they have this adopted by adopters. So, they will give money to the facility for the food and our facility.
Yeah.
That's for 250,000 already. And they will give the Philippine eagle its name po. As you can see, they have Vigo and Marikit po. But locally, in general, they're called as Philippine eagle.
That's why they have their name. I told you, Rob, the Philippine, the paternal owner of eagle pledged to have annually 100% instead of eagle also. It's nice. Wow. What are you holding now?
Oh, hi!
Oh, what's that? You wanted to catch the bird?
No, sir. Maybe sir he saw someone bringing his food. That's why he got the sight.
Ah, wait, we will wait.
Maybe what I'm
Is
not
there
sure
a
what
feeding
time
session?
yes, but let's watch. Maybe he's just getting excited.
Marikit is
As I told you,
sleeping.
Rob, he can see how many kilometers.
Kasi na-hide siya. Nag-ano siya, nagpapaganda. Relax.
Nag-block ako kasi Marikit.
Oo, para magiging tunay na marikit.
Sa gabi po siya. Para siya ay maging sa akin.
Ay! Ay, ano na yan?
But
Powell
you
na
have
yan.
360. You defeat the eagle because you have 360. They only have this right there.
Napaka-calm.
So here, Mama, sir, we will see three Brahmini kites, also called as banog or lawin in other terms.
Yeah.
They're natural gliders, Mom and Sir, so when you see them flying at the sky, they're just gliding around. And they love to eat chicks and chickens on the farm, so one of the natural animals of the farm. So we have three inside.
Oh, there.
We have two adults, one. So the looks of the adults, we have this white head, white crest, and brown wings. But we have one Brahmini kite inside that is a fully brown one. That's a juvenile version or a younger one. A younger Brahmini kite.
Very funny.
And as you can see, Ma'am and Sir, all of them are in one cage. Unlike Vigo and Marikit, they're separated. It's because the Philippine eagles are highly territorial. If they don't know the eagle or the
will
animal
fight.
inside their territory, they will attack.
And one thing more. Bagani is a warrior name. Oh, it's a warrior. Bagani.
warrior.
Wow. It's a lord.
So si Vigo at saka si Marikit hindi sila magjowa.
Hindi po.
Ay, hindi natin po alam. Kasi magkatabi lang po sila.
Yung Rogamos, di ba ang ano, so kung sila ang dating magka-ano na magka...
Ay, hindi po siya pwede magkaroon ng girlfriend.
Ah.
Ang galing ng mga expert yun. Alam nila yung mga pangyayari.
Sinasaytik. O kasi iniano ko na since monogamos baka pwede sila yung magkatabi sila ng kulungan eh. Sila na mag-mate.
Maganda magiging biology nito bata ito. It's a marketing strategy to be a good speaker. Right, Rob?
Ganda ng bandong. Yes, very kay nag-open yung dulo.
Have other places doing their virtual like Malagas Garden.
Raptors are.
Yes po. Raptors, the Philippine Eagles are also known as raptors because they catch
They
their,
attack.
yes po, they attack or catch their prey
Catch
with
their prey.
their talons or their claws.
Yeah, that's raptors. Wow. Ang galing. Are we halfway in our...
No,
Oh! Ano si?
the chicken si Mama said, he doesn't have any name. Because the one that will adopt if stop adopting. He doesn't have a name and he's open for adoption. Their maximum height is 3 feet and their wingspan is 7 feet or 2 meters, so 1 meter in each.
Wow.
Mag-grow pa siya?
Oh, hindi na kasi matanda na siya. Oh, he's eating Rob. He's eating. He has a diet. A diet is, I think it's a chicken.
It's rabbit.
Oh, it's rabbit.
Yes, po.
Oh, it's not a chicken wing. Sorry.
Kailangan patay na siya. Ano na siya?
Hindi, pwede pa rin niyang buhay.
Yes, ma'am. Pero once a week, Mama said they do live feeding.
Yes, dapat live feeding.
Live baby rabbit to the Philippine Eagles. But the rest of the week, it's dead.
Sila kasi minsan dapat pumatay din sila ng fry nila.
Yes, po.
Kasi,
So active their instinct in the wild
Yes.
as hunters.
that's good.
Sorry, pag bago ka mag-volunteer dito, dadaan ka sa school. Yes, ma'am. I have ano
May
po,
examination siya, Ma'am Karen.
Pero anong
kurso ang pwede mag-volunteer dito? Kahit ano, ma'am. Kahit ano basta dadaan ka sa amin. Kasi
closer to the
I'm
eagle.
not sick that
Ito guys sila ay walang mga
Wow.
dahil
Look at the credential.
wala
It's
pang
2 years in talking to the people.
ano sa kanila, mag-adapt. Wala pang adapt. Hindi pa sila ina-adapt. Kaya, yan.
Just
Diba, trabaho mo, ano
yes,
yun eh.
and it's ano po,
Kumakain siya guys. Sila po yung kumakain ng rabbit. Meat of the rabbit.
so here, Mama sir has pagkakaisa. Pagkakaisa means so I'm not sure if you're familiar with pag-asa.
Yeah, familiar.
So pag-asa po sir means
Hope.
So pag-asa was the first successful product of the artificial insemination or AI. So this is pagkakaisa. His brother, the second successful product of artificial insemination or AI, hatched on 1992. So he's been here in the facility for 32 years already.
Wow, galing.
So
Ang
you want
galing.
to take a group picture here?
Oh, wow. Yeah, it's okay.
Pag-asa, nagkain siya.
He's eating. Wow, really.
O kaya nga pala si, ano,
Oh, kaya lang, si Nat Maripit.
si Vigo. Si Vigo,
Bawal ang flash po.
walang flaw.
And
Si
ma'am,
Vigo, kaya pala excited siya kasi kumakain
ano
nila.
Oh, hindi siya pwedeng palapitan talaga. Kasi baka ma-distract.
it's fine po, like maybe yun na lang siya.
Oh. O dito banda para hindi kanya makita.
Parang pinapatay pa na yung kinakain.
Hindi, patay na yan. Kinakain na nga niya yun.
So, my friend.
Dito ko Fagachi for you.
So here, Mom and Sir, we have Gucci. So Gucci is a Philippine serpent eagle. So they love to eat snakes and serpents in the wild. So she's adopted by Eliana Atienza, the daughter of Kuya Kim and Felicia.
Atienza, oo.
I thought Gucci is in the bag only, but still also in the bird.
Parang gusto
Actually, the
ni
story of
Eliana
this,
ang Gucci.
Eliana Atienza has this Gucci bag that has a similar design with the bird. That's
Kaya
why
nga eh.
she named it.
She's
She
fan
named
of
it
Gucci.
They will not name it without any relationship.
Yes.
Oh, hello.
Hi, Gucci.
Hi, Gucci. How are you today? Oh, sorry for disturbing you in your meal. But can you please spread your wings? Oh, galing ano. Alright. Bye-bye for now. We will visit you soon. Oh, ito naman. Iba na naman. Pangalan din ng ano. Pangalan din ng brand.
So here, Mom and Sir, we have Lottie po. So Lottie is a South Philippine hawk eagle. They're known for their 4 to 5 feathers that can be found at the top of their head. They're only endemic here in Mindanao only, and now they're endangered.
Wow. Bakit naman din lote? Parang brand din.
That depends on the adopters.
Oh,
I'm not
okay.
really sure why they.
Oh, it's a small eagle.
So here, Mom and Sir, we have a black winged kite. As you can see, she doesn't have any name because she's not adopted. So they're known for their red eyes and natural eyeliners, and we will see most of them in Africa and Southeast Asia. Same as the Brahmini kites earlier, they're natural gliders also. So they like glide when they're flying.
But originally they came from the Philippines.
Southeast Asia, sir.
Southeast
is
Asia.
part
Okay,
of
okay, Southeast Asia. So they are not imported. Southeast Asia.
So here, Mom and Sir, we have Lakambini right there. So Lakambini is another South Philippine hawk eagle, same as Lottie. And as we observed, Mom and Sir, she has this uneven wings due to some injury she got in the wild.
Wow. Hello, ayun. Gutom na ni Bo, panigi pa ka. Wala pa rasyon dai. Pero like maglinya ta niya bananda ka. Oh, there is. Uy, nagpakitang gila si ano, oh. Marahuti.
Marahuta, sir.
Marahuti.
So here, Mom and Sir, we have Marahuta. So Marahuta is a white-bellied sea eagle. The white-bellied sea eagle, they're the second most largest eagle or raptor that can be found here in the Philippines. Most of them can be found in seashores, and they love to eat fish. And they're actually one of the loudest eagles here in the country.
Wow, sila yung sumisigaw talaga.
Yes, sir. Earlier, sir, the one that are very noisy.
Yeah. Grabe. Ano to
Right
sa
there.
Sound.
That noise right now. That's their noise.
Wow.
The white-bellied sea eagle.
I thought it was cockatoo. Recently.
So here, Mom and Sir, we have two black blue South Philippine hawk eagles. We have Dasig and Seaboy. And I said earlier that they're endangered species, but the Philippine Eagle Foundation was the first facility to successfully hatch or breed them.
So, ibig sabihin, no, may mga scientists pala talaga sa Davao.
Yes, po.
Wow.
I'm not sure, sir. Maybe. Actually, this one, Sir Seaboy, is very active. He's part of the bird show, so he loves attention.
Yeah.
But right now, he's waiting for his food, so he's focused. So here, Mom and Sir, we also have deers, or Philippine brown deer.
So this is the map. Sa map, ano, wala na ako walking. This is the map.
Right here at the side po, Mom. Right here po.
Yun, lalabas siya. Ayun. Please be on stage. Actors, center stage. Ayaw niya makapag-associate. Kasi alam niya, nag-i-speak tayo ng English. And he is a native.
Ano yan? Yung anak niya?
We have 4 females inside, ma'am, 2 mothers and 2 children.
Wag lang yung mga wildlife.
Guys.
Ay, wait there. For 3 planting sets.
There's something different.
Yes, sir, we have different kinds of trees here. Mostly our nesting trees are Philippine trees. So here, hanging sir is the pairing dome. So this is where they put the male and female Philippine eagle for breeding, and this is where the courting process happens, where the male courts the female. And inside namin sir, we have a pair. We have Nalia and Magiting right there, eating right there.
Oh, yes.
And the other one is right there at the top in the nest area. So, Philippine eagles namin sir are known for monogamous, so they take one partner for a lifetime. And every 2 years naman sir, they can only lay 1 egg. Every 2 years? Yes, so yung family planning. But the Philippine Eagle Foundation namin sir do artificial insemination. So every 1 year, we produce 1 egg already.
Okay. So, artificial insemination.
Cooperate with artificial insemination. But as for the natural breeding pair, they can only lay 1 egg.
Are the actors at home the pairing is effective once, twice, or
But actually, it depends on the longest courting process happens here for almost 2 years.
yun. So pag hindi gusto ng lalaki, ayaw
They will
talaga.
change, yes, okay.
Wow. And how long, it's a very, very personal. How long pala ang pwede ko nila ayaw talaga ng lalaki?
If they a pattern of breeding. Separate the male and female. And so the male will court the female. So male will give twigs, branches, nesting material to the female to help her courting. And then the female accepts
Kung yung eagle nga nag-i-effort na impress ng babae niya. Ang tao dapat mag-impress pa yan.
Ganun din sana. No? Kasi sa amin, walang ka-impress. Depress lang.
Ito, ano to, ano sa akin to.
Ito yung bulaklak na edible. So this is
Sinisip-sip, itong gamamela, sinisip-sip ko yan nung bata ako.
edible talaga siya. You can eat the whole. Oh wow, ang ganda.
So, ano, yung tanim ng lola ko, lagi namin kinakain yung gumamela.
Meron talagang healthcare.
You want to feel healthy?
Oh, no.
Hello mga baby, this is your mommy.
Mommy.
Mommy, as normal, that's why I need to vlog.
Good thing walang bunga.
Ano ba yung
Durian.
Berries,
Ay,
the berries.
ito ba yung durian?
Anahaw.
It's a durian tree.
Ala, gusto ko makakita na yung nasa puno talaga.
Oo. Kaya lang, be careful kasi kapag yan nahulog sa ulo na po.
Ay, naku, mga
Problema yan.
Oh, no.
Mas masakit pa sa niyog.
Naku, no. You're gonna take
The rules of this Rob, is
I'm
using
not really sure.
as a hat.
I haven't this one.
Iba yun. Right to sa home, sa home.
Taong ka ng ilaw.
We have another song, Mountain Crocodiles, are right there at the back. Hi, Croco.
Oh, yes.
Gagawin
Oh,
pang
there.
crocs mo.
He's hiding.
Did you know that galing sa
He's loner.
galing sa
He's a loner.
the morning na to
Oh,
original
it's
title.
very gibbon. It's very
Ay,
dangerous for the bird to.
Converted lang siguro. Ay, mga jackpot.
Sir? Mosquito, sir? I'm not really sure, sir, but there aren't a lot of mosquitoes inside. But we have this insects going through our eyes.
Yeah.
They're attracted to the moisture of our eyes. They're really attracted.
Ay, kaya kanina pa lipad na
Yes,
lipad na nag-visit na ako
But
sa
as for the mosquitoes, I'm not sure.
Animals are not, they are not intimidated with the mosquitoes.
No,
No.
what he means is for the human to come here.
It's not
because
drink
it's
water.
the water.
Yes, but they clean it, sir. They drain the water and
And change it.
change it with a new.
It's not natural mud.
Oh, okay.
It's cemented. It's
Yes,
concrete. And,
This is actually an old pig of the Philippine Wanted, but they isolate the pig due to outbreak of African swine fever.
ang dami natin matutunan dito. Wala ka bang exam pagkatapos dito? Baka hindi kami makakalabas.
Pag hindi namin masagot
Baka
yung
hindi
exam,
namin masagot yung tanong
kasi
mo.
parang 0.5 lang ang memory
Is this also
namin.
legal? Yes.
Yes, sir. This is a Philippine certain eagle. So we have a pair inside. We have Talabawe and Mugate. The other one was right there at the back eating. So same as the Philippine eagles po. So who is the one that are bigger inside po? That's the
girl.
female or the girl.
Davao Doctors College ang
Yes,
nag-ano,
ma'am.
Ako
adopt.
sila na yung magka-partner.
Yes, ma'am. Active pair po ayan sila.
So for life na yan, our partner
Yes,
sila.
sir. We're all
Nakapili na siya ng ano.
sila silang forever.
Lang forever.
Miss Tabawi and what is that? Mugato. Are they producing already?
Yes, ma'am. They're active pairs po.
Wala na siyang owl.
And if you look at the video in the middle of the accident, all of its hair were standing up. So that's what we call trafficking. So they do that when they're angry, furious, ready to attack or angry.
Okay. So they feel that
No,
something
they are not
is,
Christian. He is not Christian.
Yes, so.
Ay, pangarap.
What about
You guys heard it.
So here I was saying
Very
the
nice
names
head.
of the companies and people who adopted Philippine eagle.
the Criminal Foundation is right over here.
Next.
Let's
So
figure it out.
On top of the Magiting.
this one, the bigger one, is adopted Philippine eagle, and that's for 850,000. They will give it to you. While this one, the smaller ones, are the owls, the Brahminic kites, the serpent eagle, the smaller one, and that's for 25,000. They will still give it name.
Mayong ito. Dili meron sa pipinigil ako, takong itistigaan mo